Welcome everyone. Now I am going to tell you about the Reiki principles. In your workbook you have seen that in the morning first thing you need to do is saying the Reiki principles. At the beginning for few days it will be difficult for you to remember them, right? So for that reason you can keep the workbook handy beside you. So once you get up in the morning, just go through the 5 Reiki principles. Afterwards, when it will be easier for you to memorize, just get up in the morning, join your palms in Namaste and say the Reiki principles. These Reiki principles are like taking resolution for one day on a daily basis. And this is how it will become your habit, and your subconscious mind is going to be programmed, and your perspective towards life is going to change totally. So first, let us see what are the Reiki principles, then I will be telling you how. Let me share my screen. So here are the 5 Reiki principles. First one is, just for today, I will forgive everyone and be at peace. So no matter whatever the situation may be, if you are feeling angry or irritated, always remember throughout the day you have to follow this principle that you will forgive everyone no matter what. Okay? And this is how, like, if you start doing this, practicing this every day, after 7 to 10 days, automatically you will be observing that if you are getting angry with someone or in some situation, automatically your inner voice will tell you that forgive. You will not react in any situation. Your emotion will be in your control. No one can come and irritate you or make you angry, because you will become the master of your own mind. This is great, no? Yes. Next is, just for today, I will live in the present. So throughout the day, whenever any thought from the past is bothering you, stop there only. Okay? And if you are worrying too much about the future, stop doing that. You have to be happy, living in the present. Okay? So after practicing for few days, you will automatically see whenever some thoughts from the past is coming or some thoughts from the future is troubling you, your inner voice will tell you that be in the present. Next point is, just for today, be kind to all the living beings. This is very important. Whenever in a day, whenever you feel like because of some reason you feel like harming someone, your inner voice will tell you have to be kind to every living being. That can be any creature, any insect, any living being, animals, plants, human being. You have to build a kindness towards them. Okay? Next comes, just for today, I'll do each of my work with lots of honesty, love, passion and enthusiasm. When you say that every day, what will happen? Suppose you have a habit of procrastinating things. Okay? You are being lazy with few things and you always think, I'll do it tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Now in this case, what will happen if you are practicing this Reiki principle, that you will do your work with honesty, love and passion, automatically whatever you will be doing, you will be doing with your full energy. You will be giving your best towards that work, and every time you do that, your work will be the best one. Isn't it so? Yes. The next point, the last one is, just for today, I'll be thankful to God for every little blessings in my life. This is very important. Gratitude is a thing which will take you to a long way, because when you become grateful towards every little things in your life, you will see the positive aspects of life. You will stop counting on the negative things in your life. And this is how you will always be positive, and you will start seeing everything in a positive way. You will stop counting the negative things which are happening. till now, maybe most of the time, if the day is going perfectly, if one or two negative things are happening, you will be thinking about those negative things whole day. That thing happened with me, it's not good. But now onwards, when you start practicing this, no, being grateful towards every little blessings in your life, you will find there are so many positive things happening around you which you have not noticed yet. I'll give you one simple example here. Suppose you are going to your workplace and you started late from your home. Instead of starting late, you reached to your workplace at time or before time. Should not you say thank you to God? What do you think? This simple gratitude, no, will always give you the feeling of happiness. You must practice this. So every day in the morning, you must say this 5 principles. When you start saying these 5 principles, you will see after 30 days your life will be totally changed. Your perception towards life, towards other people will be totally different. So always, every day morning after getting up, say these 5 principles. I will recommend you that during this course, definitely you must say, and if you feel that still there is some more anger in you or some irritation is still left, then you must practice this for 3 to 6 months. It will hardly take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Just think about the 5 principles in the morning. So let me revise the 5 principles again. So number 1 is, just for today, I'll forgive everyone and be at peace. Number 2, just for today, I'll live in the present and be happy. Number 3, just for today, I'll be kind to all the living creatures. Number 4, just for today, I'll do all my work with lots of love, passion and enthusiasm. And number 5, just for today, I'll be thankful to God for all the little things in my life. Thank you everyone. I hope you are all going to practice this, and I hope you all got the reason why we should do this practice. See you. Reiki bless you.